What's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, Free Spirit is. How y'all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great because I'm doing fabulous. Y'all, I'm back again with another mukbang. Today's mukbang was inspired by seafood. So I did me a little mini fish fry, y'all. I even added some fried corn. I did some Texas toast. I got me a beautiful salad here, which is like a spring mix with some raspberry vinaigrette dressing. Got a couple of lemon wedges over here, some boiled eggs, and some tartar sauce, y'all. Ready to grub. And also, y'all, I got me a boba, like I think it's like a frap from Boba Island right here in Houston, Texas, y'all. This is my dessert. It's taro smoothie with like some I told them to put mango pop and some whipped cream in it. So it's been frozen, y'all. So hopefully by the time I finish eating, we can dig into it. I have it on the side. So y'all know what to do. Pause the video, grab yourself a snack. Let's get to chopping because I'm really hungry, y'all. And I really worked hard frying this seafood today. And let me tell y'all, frying seafood is it's not a short trip. Like, you literally have to spend time prepping all the stuff, cleaning your seafood, doing everything. But anyway, that's for another day. If y'all want me to do a demo, let me know. And comment down below. So, without any more waiting, I'm going to, give you guys a pan, and then we're going to say grace and get to chopping. So, let's get it, y'all. Let's say grace, y'all. Lord bless this food, bless the hands that made it. Amen. Let's eat. Short and sweet. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing fabulous. I'm doing great, y'all. I'm about to dig in. I am so excited to eat this because it's been a minute. I've been talking and saying, oh, I'm going to do, like a seafood. I wasn't sure if I was going to do like the seafood, like a boil, or if I wanted to do fried seafood. But anywho, let's get to chopping. Y'all, I think I'm going to just go ahead and start with the salad just to kind of like open up my palate and stuff. So that's the first veggie bite. I put raspberry vinaigrette on there. So y'all, the other day I had some peri peri chicken with some roasted corn, and they had this sauce. So anyway, this right here is leftovers from Peri Peri Chicken Factory, and I'm gonna use it on my fried corn, y'all, because I used it on the roasted corn that I had got. And y'all, I'm gonna do we're gonna maybe do a peri peri chicken mukbang or something. I'm putting butter on my Texas toast. Ooh. Y'all, I love the Texas toast just for the whole thickness of the bread, See how thick it is? It's just a juicy toast. And that makes it more like, oh my God, exciting to eat. And the whole everything is big in Texas, including the toast, right? So, and buttered my toast, y'all. Had my first bite of lettuce. Now, I'm going to squirt some lemon. I got catfish fillets. Here go my catfish fillet. And I got some scrimps. So I'm gonna lemon juice this fillet right here. Dip it in some tartar sauce. There you go. Okay. Mm-hmm. That was good, y'all. Wow. Mm-mm-mm. Wow, y'all. Okay, so now I understand the lemon juice, what it does. It just enhances everything. There's a salad. Mm. The raspberry vinaigrette and the saltiness of the feta. It goes together. Mm-hmm. The salty and the raspberry go very well together. Mm-hmm. It's really good. So what's up, y'all? What y'all been up to? Mmm. It's so good. I'm gonna try it with the sauce. Mmm. It's like a garlic, creamy, cheesy sauce. It goes well with roasted corn. Oh my god. It goes so well with this. Mmm. The sweet with the garlic, y'all. Mmm. I love trying new stuff, y'all. Shrimp. Mmm. Catfish. Squeeze some lemon juice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I love it. Mm. I don't think I've ever had any clean seafood, even if it was a sandwich. It's always messy. Mm. Mm. I forgot how much I love seafood, especially fried seafood. I love fried seafood, y'all. And the flavors. Mm. I think growing up in New Orleans, definitely influenced my love for a fish fry, fried seafood, especially catfish. I love fried catfish. I can eat catfish all the time. When I was growing up, there was a seafood place that I used to go to that had one night where it was all you can eat fried catfish. And we would go, and oh my God. There's nothing tastier than hot fried, fresh off the oil fried catfish. It's the best. The best. Mm. Mm. The flavors. Oh my God, that is so good. Y'all. Wow. I love the combination of the corn with the garlic and cream. And then like, oh my God, this raspberry vinaigrette on the salad really works. Wow. Everything is like different flavors, but they complement each other. Mm-hmm. Mm. When we used to go out to eat and we get a seafood platter and they put the toast on there, I think to myself like, what's the toast for? The toast with the butter, what is it for? Man, it's for a lot of stuff. You can put fish, lettuce, tomato, make yourself a fish sandwich on fried catfish with the toast. It adds an extra flavor. The toast. It's like another level. These eggs. You know what? I'm putting this in tartar sauce, but this might be like a deviled egg now. It has a deviled egg aura. What y'all eating on? Comment down below. Because I want to know. Y'all, I didn't realize how much I was really wanting this until I started making it. Man. I knew I wanted fried fish. And I knew I wanted shrimp. But I wasn't sure what else I was going to put there. So I just started adding my own ingredients. And oh my God. I told y'all. Ever since I started frying my corn, I don't want it any other way. I can still eat it boiled and steamed and stuff, but if I can, I fry my corn. It's either fried or roasted. Those two choices. How do you like your corn? Comment down below. Some people don't even like corn. I love corn. That's amazing. Y'all. Really good. But I'm not finishing this food. I'm already full. Like literally. I'm saving this for tomorrow. Definitely worthy of a repeat. It's really good. So good. Y'all let me know how y'all feel. Oh man. Oh y'all. Oh, that was so good, y'all. I think that's the first time I just kind of, who knows? I think I always dive in. But I really, oh, yes, that was a good one. Totally worth it. Really went down well. Ooh, y'all. That was so good. I'm definitely going to be saving this for tomorrow. Let's see how our dessert. And in the meantime, y'all let me know how y'all feel about this video by hitting the like button. And if this is your first time here, welcome to the tribe. I just downed a bunch of seafood, which, y'all, is really good. Look at that. I got me like a taro smoothie from Boba Island. right here in Houston, Texas on Bel Air Boulevard, y'all. These are amazing. And I got it with mango fruit pops, which is like these little fruit beads that pop in your mouth and stuff. And whipped cream, so everything's frozen, so it's almost like ice cream now. But it has melted down a little bit. So, y'all, I had to. This right here is really good. Yes, it kind of has that frozen yogurt vibe right now. Yeah, it's really good. Well, wow. Taro smoothie. Oh, wow. They have a website, too. www.bobaislandcoffee.com. Did not know that until this moment. Wow, this is really good. Boba Island. So, y'all, I think I'm going to take this and go and chillax. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And I hope you guys enjoy this new week. Fresh start. Rewind, you know, every week. We go through, we process everything, and then we reset for the new week. So this is a reset, and it's a positive vibes reset. So guys, y'all enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy, like I said, the rest of your day. If you have not subscribed, this is the perfect time to subscribe because it's absolutely free, no cost to you. When you subscribe, don't forget, next to it is the post notification bell that you need to hit. So every time when I publish a video, you'll be notified. Or when because there is a we publish, you'll be notified. Thank you guys once again. I really enjoyed hanging out with y'all today. The meal was amazing. Like I said, if you guys want me to do a demo, please drop your comment down below. Drop your recipes, ideas, drop your food adventures. Y'all, next week we are heading, this week actually, we're heading to Cali. I said next week, but this week we're heading to Cali. Though it is a somber visit, but I'm going to try and do some touring for food. So I'm excited about it. So y'all, I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, stay safe in the streets. Love yourselves, love one another. Take care of yourselves. Be safe. Until the next video, y'all. Bye. Later.